How to use the Waze application or the website for real-time traffic alerts here on the website or on the mobile device. For doing this, you just have to follow the steps I'm showing you on your screen right now. So just follow this. Waze is designed to get you where you're going as fast as possible by utilizing the real-time report and driving history from the local users. Now, this is how you can use it. Simply open this and then click on My Waze from the Where to application or option from this. To adjust how much the Waze talks, go to three lines icon on the top left, then choose Setting. After setting, tap voice and sound. Now you can adjust your Waze voice here. Sounds on Waze will announce every direction, step alerts only on your phone speaker. Tap Waze voice for a list of audio options in various languages and the voice tone that you would like to hear. Now after setting for alerts, you just need to move on to the next setting, that is plan a route. Tap three line icon and select plan a drive for an upcoming drive. If you want to set up your upcoming drive, you want to go somewhere, if you're planning to go somewhere, you can sign it up. Tap plan a drive here, and then you can see how long your ride should take depending on when you leave. Tap save to remember the route and departure time. After that, as you can see the screenshot mentioned on the screen, once saved, you can tap three dot icon beside your route to edit or find irrelevant information or the relevant information such as parking, etc. You can edit your route, add any pin stop quickly by add a stop option on your mobile itself. Supposing you want to cancel your journey, tap stop. You can also tap routes above to view other route options, each with a time state. In a map view, street highlighted in red mean they are very busy, and those in orange mean mildly busy, and red means total busy. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.